Hello, this is Jason, and I am at yet another mall. This is Suria, and it is right underneath the Petronas Towers. And it is beautiful. A skylight. Alright, let's go walk around. We got all labeled, so we're on the ground floor, luxury, and 1's fashion, 2's toys and children's, 3 tech, electronics, and then dining and beauty up on the 4th floor. Suria KLCC. I'm not too interested in the fashion brand, so let's see what they have on the pleb fashion floor. And the air conditioning's kicking. There's about a mile walk to get here outside, and it's so humid. Even though it's only 86 degrees outside, which in Bangkok that would feel cool. I think the humidity is higher here than Bangkok. Super humid. And we got Lululemon. I like that close. This mall goes off in like all directions. That's pretty cool. They have so many big malls here. I've already been in 4 of them. Wow. Look at that screen just hanging out in the middle of nowhere. That dome up there is impressive. You got a movie theater. So cool. Let's see how much movie ticket prices are here. I'm gonna guess $5. Just keeps going in all directions. Very neat. And I went to the bathroom here, and you had to pay 50 cents to use the bathroom with Apple Pay. It's the first time I've seen that. I don't know if there's any free bathrooms in here, but the one that I found needed to pay 50 cents. Let's go up. Luigi. Let's go up again. Under Armour. Skechers, Vans, Timberland. Hoka, I like Hokas. A lot of American sport teams brands. Nike. I like all the screens they got everywhere. Where's the cinema? Over here. TGV Cinemas. Alright, Supergirl. Oh, IMAX. Nice. I don't remember. That's at 8:45 p.m. It is 35. So that is, let me exact, $8.61 for IMAX. That's like half the price that I paid in Bangkok. Not as cheap as Ho Chi Minh City, but let's see how much a regular ticket price is. $25. That is $6.15 for a normal ticket. That's about what it was in Bangkok for a regular movie ticket. They have a lot more American movies. It's pretty big. Pretty big selection. I have a different This Is MJ Michael Jackson movie and the Michael movie that's out. Cool. Love all these screens. Hi. Oh, no, thank you. Huge mall. Nothing I really need at the moment. Guess we can go to the top. Benihana. Where they cook in front of you. At least that's what. Hello. Wow, this place looks popular. And all the seating over here. You know, whatever they're selling is good when you get a long line of locals lining up for it. I guess it's these little egg tart things. Madam Kwan's nasi lemak, $5. It feels so huge. I mean, it is huge. It doesn't just feel huge, it is huge. Just gives you a sense of wonder. So crazy. Like the Mall of America in Minnesota, it's like the only thing that comes close to Asian malls. And even that, I don't think has the luxury aspect. Asian malls are unbeatable. Maybe Dubai might have some malls that are on par. But the rest of the world really can't compete with Asia's mall game. Oh, and you could see the Petronas Towers through the sky roof. Pretty cool. TGI Fridays. Chili Kampung. All right, well, I think we've seen enough to give us a good idea of what this place is all about. So that's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.